This is the real Tom Rose, and we're dealing with a problem here that has variables in the answer choices. So the techniques you want to consider are plugging in versus algebra. I like to start with plugging in because it's less error prone and potentially faster if it works. So we have three values that we need to pick. We need to pick x, y, and z. And let's pick values and also put the sort of the English version of what these are. So this is the flat fee. And I like to pick small primes, so let's pick $2 for that. Y is cents per mile. And I'm going to put that at, I'm going to do something a little unorthodox here, which is I'm going to pick a large number. I'm going to pick 300 because you'll notice that y is in cents. So I'm going to do 300 cents, which will make it about $3. And z is the number of miles. And I'm going to set that at 5. So they want to know the cost of a trip. Well, the cost of a trip, and you've probably taken a taxi before, is you'll always have the flat fee. I'm going to add this up in dollars. Plus you'll have the charge per mile, which will be 300 cents. I'm going to divide that by 100 to convert this into dollars. Times the number of miles, which is 5. And what is this going to yield? We're going to yield a total trip cost of 2 plus 3 times 5 equals 17. So now if we plug in x, y, and z into our answer choices, we're looking for an answer which has a value of 17. I'm going to move this over to give us a little bit more room. So this would be 100 times 2 times 300 plus z is some enormous number, so that's out. 100 times z is 500 plus a bunch of other stuff, which is also way too big, so let's get rid of that. X times z would be 2 times 5 plus y over 100. This is in the right order, but it only ends up equaling 13, unfortunately, so that's out. Y times z would be 300 times 5 over 100. This is looking promising, plus 2. That's going to be, cross out the zeros, 15 plus 2 equals 17. That is a ringer. I like it. Let's just check the last one to be sure. 100 times y is 300 times z plus x, way too large. And we can safely pick D as the correct answer.